Hello everybody on YouTube, this is Mark Williams. I'm the English Silversmith. I'm just doing a quick test upload for the channel. These are various different chains that I've got at the moment. Obviously I custom make all these chains, and so all of them are handmade, and when I get the orders in I literally make them and send them out. We've got different types of chains here. This is a necklace. It's about 22 inches long. It's a foxtail. It's quite nice. So let's have a look. It's a bit difficult to get it in focus nicely. It's so shiny, the camera has difficulty in picking it up. So I'm making several chains at the moment. This is the foxtail. This one here is a Byzantine. We've got a bigger Byzantine, so this one is slightly thicker links. This is slightly thinner links. This is a full Persian. This is quite a nice chain. It's more 3D. And as you can see, I'm a worker, so I've got working hands. I've been, because you have to cut all the links and form them and everything. So I've been doing that. So there's that one. There's a lovely Byzantine necklace here. This is approximately 20 inches as well. It weighs over 100 grams of silver. I think it's about 110. And we could put it on the scale just to check. I think it's about 100 grams. Then I can get it all on. Yeah, about 100. It's not quite all on the scale. I'd have to get the other bit. It would be around 100, 110, somewhere like that. See if we can get it on there properly. Yeah, 113. There we go. And it's so white and shiny. It does mess with the camera. To my eyes, it's more shiny than you see on the camera. It's really quite highly polished. So what I do is I form all of the links. They're all handmade. I use my metal roller here. So I form them all. And then I have an ultrasonic welder and a tumbler. I also have a spot welder here. So we spot weld it all together. And I'm also getting into casting. So I've got a 3D printer here. It's an SLA printer. So you can do a resin and everything. And there's all my my tools just there. I've been neatly lining them up. So they're looking all quite good. And then, so yeah, so all in all, looking good. If you're interested in me making you anything, I can make any size, any length, any gauge. You know, if you wanted 0.8mm chain links, if you wanted 1.5mm chain links, if you had a particular weight that you were looking for, so say if you're looking for, you wanted a 3-ounce chain or a 4-ounce chain or a 10-ounce chain or a half-ounce chain or something like that. And everything is made here in England. The silver I use is 99.9% pure. I like using fine silver rather than sterling silver. For bracelets and necklaces, fine silver is okay. It's when you use gemstones and things like that and rings, you really need to use sterling silver. But I prefer using fine silver. It's much nicer to work with, and it's just lovely, colourful and bright. And it is still messing with my camera. It's struggling to focus on the actual silver. So yeah, if anybody's interested in anything, like some stuff handmade, I'm going to be live streaming soon. So as I get my orders in, I'll literally live stream making the whole video. So you can see all that, and that'll be quite fun. And you can ask comments and stuff, and all that sort of stuff. All right then, thank you very much. Goodbye.